I love a good overhyped product. Like, is it as good as the internet claims it to be? We need to find out. I bought a whole bunch of stuff. We're gonna test it out and we're gonna see what's actually worth buying. If anything, starting with mascara, and this is by Kosas. I think it's Kosas. The SoulGazer Lengthening and Lifting Peptide Mascara. I got, again, a sample, not sample, mini version. Because I don't know if you know this, but I have a million mascaras. I saw a girl using this and her lashes looked insane. I've had a lot of success with mascara recently, so I have high hopes. Please be as good as it looked like in the video. The bristles on this thing are very, sharp's the wrong word, but you know that kind of thing, that's what they're like. All right, so that's one coat. Seems fine so far. You can't even see it. I'm gonna zoom you in. This is coat number 2. It's got a very spiky wand. Spiky's the correct word. Like, listen, it is lengthening for sure. This is coat number 3. Okay, so that is 3 coats. Like, I would say it's probably lengthening the lashes a bit. What else to say? Lifting. We'll see as it dries because we all know my lashes go. And just in case anyone is curious what I have on my eyes, I did link it down below because I found a dupe, I think, of the Clio one that I absolutely love that's discontinued. I had no idea. I'm so angry. And I really like it so far. I'm really excited. Okay, that's 2. Okay, right out of the gate, I've already been proven wrong about my track record with mascaras. Like, feels so very neutral, you know? Like, that's just a mascara that I would look at and be like, yep, that for sure coats my lashes. Also, it says this is intense black. I feel like this isn't intense. It just feels like a normal black mascara, right? Also, you can see that these lashes are already starting to fall. Yeah, no, you know what? This did not do, on me at least, what it did that I've seen on other people. Not for me. So I will need to recurl these. Awesome. Okay, the next one, another blush. I'm very excited. Also been having a good track record with blushes. I don't know why I said that. It literally ruined things last time. Oh, this is by Summer Fridays. It is their new, like, butter balm blush. I want you to look at this, okay? We can all see this. We all know approximately how expensive Summer Friday is. That's so little. This is my Koki Cosmetics one. This is my other one. That's a balm. Oh, this is the KVD one that I like. This is 0.105. So I don't know if maybe it's just deceiving in terms of size. Oh no, okay. So this is smaller and in weight than the KVD one. It's very small, but it looked really, really pretty. So I don't know. Oh, that was too much. Oh, whoopsies. It is blending beautifully on the skin. This has not been an issue at all. Very easy to blend. The color is fun. It reminds me very much of the She's That Girl. I wonder if they took inspiration from it actually. You know how brands do. I mean, ignore the fact that it's very dirty, but like, yeah, no, that was their inspo. Like, this is disgusting. Ignore that. It's identical. It's identical. Absolutely identical. Like, it has that nice balmy consistency to it, which is pretty. I honestly think I like the KVD one better. I've been using that every single time I've put on makeup, just so you know. It's beautiful. And I love the fact that it has that sort of terracotta tone too. It just makes it easy for me, depending on how much self-tanner I have on, choose the right shade and like mix and match them. Like, again, is this pretty? Yeah, it's nice. Would I go out of my way to stock up on a ton of these? Like, probably not. Then while we bronze, let's talk about the next thing. This thing, I cannot believe how much hype went behind this one launch. Insane. Like, I think the brand, I could be wrong, but I think the brand like completely washed their entire Instagram account for this one launch. And that is the Amika hair and body mist. I guess it's a big thing. I must have missed this train, but I guess they launched like a body mist and then discontinued it, and a lot of people have been wanting it back, so they relaunched it or made it better or did a new thing, I don't know, but they've brought it back into existence in some capacity. The tones are soft floral, grapefruit, warm vanilla, and sandalwood. But again, when I tell you the brand was hyping this up, was insane. Oh, I'm starting to notice that the blush is kind of looking a little bit streaky. Not my favorite. We'll fix it, don't worry. First, let's give this a little spritz. Can I smell it first? I need my little spritzy things. Spritz. Ooh, that's a very big spray. I guess it is a body mist. I'm getting the grapefruit, soft florals, like I'm getting the whole vibe. Very grapefruit citrusy off the top. I'm gonna put a little bit of cream here just to help it to adhere some more so I can see how it like settles, you know? Also, I guess in my hair too. Lowe's coming over soon to try on the next thing, which we have talked about. I think, was it last video or the video before? I don't remember, but I bought some of it. You know. Yeah, it's super grapefruity off the top. Okay, I'm gonna let it settle down and we're gonna see. In the meantime, I'm gonna finish up my makeup and get set and ready because, oh my goodness, I am so excited about the next thing. Look what I got. Look what I got.
Oh, it's here.
It's here.
Somewhere in the depths of my mind, Hilary Duff is playing.
For sure. So Hollister released like some like old school vibes kind of stuff from their, what do they call it? Their Volt.
Vault?
What'd I say?
Volt. This is fructose all over again. Vault, like it's been locked away.
Yeah. You know, one of those things.
I also am going to object to the use of the word old for anything relating to the early aughts, but I understand what you're
Old
saying.
school's okay though.
Yeah.
So
Bought some stuff.
I'm so excited. So the first one.
Oh, I see a Henley already. I'm sad.
Look at this. I'm
that
so
a baby
excited.
That's
it's
the baby
for
doll.
sure. I lived in these things.
For sure. All that you're missing is like the, wait, did they bring the lace?
Don't, that's coming. It's coming.
Sorry.
I'm just gonna try all these on. I'm not getting no spoilers, no nothing. I don't even have skinny jeans anymore, but I have something maybe.
We'll take something maybe.
Something maybe. I don't know yet. We're gonna see if they fit. It's iconic. I can't. First of all,
Immediately yes.
the jeans.
I'm so sorry, do your thing.
In case you weren't a millennial or are, I guess, this is what we wore to house parties.
School
for sure. House
parties for sure.
For sure. This was the fit.
moment.
Yeah, this is what you wore.
It's like you're taking your flip phone out, you're T9ing your friend, what are you wearing?
Mm-hmm.
And
are we wearing the same thing? Because we didn't have a lot of options.
For sure.
Garage, Forever 21, end of list.
Abercrombie if you were bougie.
For sure.
Yeah, if your babysitter's paid, you were rolling in with that mousse on.
Oh, for sure. Like even down to the stitching.
Yeah. I mean, that's it. In all honesty, I see why we wore it. It's very flattering. You look
It's super cute.
Yeah.
Like I feel a little bit like I'm wearing something that a teen wears, you know?
Go get your Uggs.
Yeah. Oh, hold on.
Phone is being held.
Very important.
This is it.
To the Luick. Especially the fact that they don't fit in the boots.
For sure.
So you had to like...
Yep. Half tuck.
Like roll the... Well, I had to do like the full roll. You did the half tuck?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, that was beyond me. That was it. Out in the world, in the snow, with rips in our
uphill jeans. Both way, 10 feet of snow.
Honestly, the resurgence of this is at least now it fits.
Yeah, it passes the arm test.
It passes the arm test. Barely. But it's there.
Honestly, it looks good.
Okay, but hold on. Wait, there's more.
But wait, there's more. I just heard a zip and I fear I know what's coming next.
Oh, for sure. If you can't know what this is already, then I don't know if you're a millennial. Do you know what this is?
I for sure know what it is.
Yeah, for sure you know what it is.
For sure I knew what that was. Baby.
I hope all the millennials in here are all like, yes. Because not only, if you recall, you'd wear the, and then to be
with
extra
the lace
cool.
Coming out at the bottom.
Oh yeah, that was important.
This is, they feel exactly like they used to too.
Super soft.
Super soft.
This
is the exact same material that we used to.
Identical. Like down to like, look at the pattern.
Yeah.
The way that it sits on there.
I'm mad I didn't. Not that I feel like it would suit my current day style needs.
Mm-hmm. Which it would. Don't question it.
It would be, for the record, the makeup look for the day really suits the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I went with the brighter lip
for sure.
Bit, you know?
For sure. Mm-hmm. It's amazing. I have no notes. How many did you own? Do you remember your iconic colors?
I had a blue one.
Yeah.
Gray. Yep. I had white. I had black. Maroon.
That camp counselor money from your summer jobs was going crazy.
They weren't all
Hollister.
Right? I'm just saying, like, but this style.
Yeah.
Christmas present Hollister.
For sure.
You know, but like that was like, these were all like the Forever 21 vibes, you know?
For sure.
But I had a lot of, like, that was sort of my style. I had actually, I had ordered, do you remember the collar shirts? Remember how we were
of course, the polos.
Yeah.
And then the boys would the double polos.
Yes.
Yep.
Or the flip up the collar.
Of course. With the puka shells. Say less.
Very, very important.
I want you to know I'm fully following the point of this conversation.
So you'd wear that and you'd put this underneath so it would poke through. I still have a difficult time wearing a t-shirt that's like a form-fitting t-shirt without putting
Scarred you for life, did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got you permanently.
Yeah, permanently.
What they did as marketers in terms of the layering pieces, genius.
It's brilliant.
Yeah.
Like, I'm like, yeah, I need all of them.
All of them.
And then you can coordinate.
Of course.
Mix and match, if you will.
With your painted on skinny jeans. Or the flares. I guess the flares were also of the era, yeah.
You know, like that's still, like that's as close as I got. And like these are, you know,
yeah,
tight. And also these are stretchy, which was not the time.
The rips though, suit.
For sure.
The rips suit.
Yeah.
This is bringing me back flashbacks. I had one of these. I remember I had two that I had bought for going back to school one year, and I like left them hanging in my closet. I was going into grade 11, obviously. So you leave them hanging because you're like, I'm too cold to wear these in the summer. I'm gonna wear them when I go back to the hallways of school.
You have to, do save it just in case.
Tags on. I come back one day. No, I would have been grade 10 because Sarah's 2 years younger than me. She took my hoodie, wore it to grade 8, where she had reading buddies, which meant kindergartners. Her kindergartner reading buddy got red paint all over the front of my green hoodie.
Beatrix!
And I forgot about it until this moment. At the time, I very much did not forget about it. That was a whole night of babysitter money. These were $49.95. I remember it well. May not have been the reason that I requested a lock on my closet. You remember the lock on my closet?
I for sure remember.
I put the lock on my closet for my 16th birthday or 17th or whatever it was at the time. Only years later did I find out my sisters knew where I had stored the key. But that's just sisterhood. Yes. Every now and then I'd go in and be like, this isn't right the way I left it. They used to take pictures apparently in reorg, but sisterhood at its finest. But listen, for a teen girl, it's still a great outfit.
I really honestly think that for Christmas, you should buy this for B.
Yeah, but I'm throwing paint on it first.
Little paint on it.
Surprise, B! Bet you thought you'd seen the last of me.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Stunning. No notes.
Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me.
Truly, it was my pleasure.
So good. Okay, update on the body spray. Smells vaguely grapefruity. I can't smell my own hair. Oh, nope, not gonna happen. So subtle, it's like kind of vanilla-y. I'd have to like basically douse myself, I feel like, in order to smell this properly. I don't know, you'd think it would have lasted on the hand where I put some cream on first, and I don't smell anything. Again, I understand this is not a perfume, this is not an oil, this is a mist. It's very different in terms of the concentrations. I don't know if this is necessarily like my favorite scent, but I know that a lot of people do really love that, obviously. Otherwise, like, why would they have done this? So this scent is something that a lot of people love. It's just, I don't know, it doesn't speak to me. The other product I thought I ordered, can't find it, and that is the Medicube PDRN Cleanser. It's like a marshmallow, sticky, tacky, beautiful, interesting looking cleanser. This is supposed to be a very hydrating, very nourishing cleanser, which is always interesting to me when they call that out when it's a cleanser. You're like literally putting it on and then washing it away. But this is a Korean brand, so I mean, what do I know? The consistency is supposed to be like a marshmallow whip kind of a cleanser, and it's supposed to be really good for like pore care and evening skin tone, that kind of thing. So we're gonna try it. I told you I would be back. I actually have 2 products. I don't remember if I said that or not. 2 things that we need to test. Let's start with the foundation. This is a white foundation, and my understanding is there are different shades of it that it'll like blend into your skin, but it's like a forgiving spectrum of color, I guess. So we're gonna give it a go, and we're gonna see how white it is and if it actually blends into my skin. Oh, yep, that is for sure. Blanc. If I put this on my skin, is it just gonna be just like a straight up white line? I mean, like kinda. Okay, hold on, let me just blend this in. Is it blending? I can't see. I mean, it's gone. I feel like it's not on my skin anymore though. Like, is it blended in or is it just disappeared? Also interesting, on the foundation stick, and I don't know if this is like self-tanner or it's just reacting to the heat of my skin. I don't know. I guess I'll try and blend it in with my fingers. See if that's any different. Okay, I think it is on my skin now because it almost looks like it has a little bit of a white cast. Sort of like a sunscreen kind of a vibe on my skin, if that makes sense. Like, it's for sure there and it's for sure covering. I'm just not for sure that I like it. Now I don't know if I've just gone crazy. Hold on, let's see how it does on my chin. Okay, it definitely covered up all of the redness there, but does it not look like it has a little bit of a white cast to it versus like not over here? It's so subtle, and I don't know if I'm just imagining things right now. I truly can't tell if this is like the perfect foundation match for me or if it does have a white cast. You tell me, what do we think? Sound off in the comments, I know you will. Makeup's off. Let's cleanse. So this is it is thick. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is too, oh no. This might actually make me wash my face at night. Look at it. Ah. Let's try that again. I don't know what the purposes of this is, being so sticky, but like, it's really fun. Oh my gosh, I've died. My neighbors are outside. I can't have them looking at me like this. It's fine, I'm just washing my face. So this has PDRN in it, which is really good for your skin. I use way too much. Dang it, I keep falling for these TikToks. Ugh. I use the PDRN serum from the Beauty Cosmetics and I really like it. So I'm curious if this makes my skin feel phenomenal. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's so much fun. Oh my gosh, look at that. I could do this all freaking day. It would be a problem. I guess now I'm going to it's getting all over the place. I'm gonna rinse this now. I'm gonna use the other side of the cloth I used to take off my makeup, to take off my cleanser. Okay, hold on. That was so much messier than I was expecting. I'm like covered in water. And I'll be honest with you, I was really hoping that my skin was gonna look fantastic, phenomenal, if you will, afterwards. I don't understand. Maybe I used too much and then that made it worse, but like my skin doesn't look like stellar right now. It's probably very clean. I don't know. I don't get the hype of that one, I'll be really honest. I wanted to. It's very fun, but yeah. Nope. What product have you been seeing everywhere? What has been really like the it thing that you've just seen explode everywhere? Inquiring minds need to know. Make sure you check these other videos out and subscribe. New videos here every single Thursday. I would love to see you back. And let me know if you subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Would love to get to know you. I hope that you're having an absolutely fantastic day and I will see you guys all in the next one.